What's up, you guys? So we're here from OneGlanceTrader.com, and welcome to part 18 of me trading the options wheel strategy on Riot blockchain. And I can't believe I've done 18 episodes of this particular series, and this started out being the wheel strategy, and I've had a number of times where I could have closed out of this position in profit. But what I've decided to do as the weeks have gone by, and for those who've been watching the series, is to keep selling covered calls on Riot, even though Riot, and we'll go through this, has been dropping quite a bit recently, but I'm still able to sell covered calls on a weekly basis, still earning anywhere between 0.8% to 1.6% return on my initial $3,350. So as you can see, you can click the link down below, which has the full playlist, which will take you to this page. As you can see, we've got up to episode 17 and 18, obviously, when this video comes out, which goes through it step by step. So if you're brand new to selling options, the wheel strategy, selling covered calls, I strongly recommend that you check out the full playlist if you just stumbled across this video, so you can go through the journey that we've all gone through in terms of trading Riot. So today's the 22nd of December. I hope to send this video out on the 22nd of December, so it's as live as possible, to give you guys an update on what's been happening to the account. So if we just look at Riot in general, you can see here that we have this consolidated channel that Riot's been in. Yes, it's popped out a few times, and currently it's popped outside of it. And it had a good day yesterday, and just minus 1.41% this morning, and the market's just opened 5-6 minutes ago. And hopefully it will start to creep back inside its channel and in this sideways momentum. And as you guys know, I own 100 shares at $33.50, and we'll check out the spreadsheet in terms of the numbers in a second. And with the trades I've done since last week, I've managed to lower my break even slightly, and my break even is 24.66. So as I said, since the start of December, if you look at Riot was at highs of 40.95, and a couple of days ago recently as lows as 21.71, so nearly 50% in this long violent move that we've had. It's lost 50% of its value in the space of a couple of weeks. But and the main reason for that is, there's been a massive sell-off inside the market with the new variant concerns, and Federal Reserve with interest rates and all that kind of stuff there. But if we head over to the Bitcoin's chart, you can see here right at the beginning of December this massive downward move, and price is struggling at the moment to really hit its 200-day moving average, which has been used as resistance. I've put this line here as a floor, but as a potential bottom to come back up. But again, the momentum is down at the moment, as with the kind of overall market. And it's this area here which has caused this violent move down, and hopefully we're starting to see um, some consolidation at this level. RSI still not yet oversold, so there's still some potential room further to go down to potentially create a double bottom here. But we are where we are with it, and you're going to get these swings, which in terms of the premiums I'm making selling covered calls, you're expected to kind of get this type of volatility. So as it stands, it's on the low end of this kind of $25 kind of support zone. And then we've got this 40 mark here. And when the price was, I own shares at 33.50, I think you guys can go back a few episodes ago, got to highs of 46.28, ridiculous amounts there. But again, I've got no problem with this. I'm quite happy to ride the volatility and keep collecting premium and covered calls and lowering down this break even as time goes on, which I've been happy to do. So if we have a look at the numbers, And we'll just have a look here. Total premium I've collected to date is $884, which is great, which is a 26% return over my initial investment of the 100 shares of the 3,350. And this premium is all the covered call premiums that I've been doing probably since like episode 4 or 5, and also my put premium, because I didn't buy 100 shares at that price because I felt like it. I was selling puts and collecting premium. I think it was week 4 where I got assigned the shares at 33.50. So I was collecting some premium, only probably a small amount. So what? Just over 10% of the 884 was put premium, but as you can see, since then I've been selling covered calls. Um, and 90% of that 884 has come from there. So as you can see, the current price is 23.73, and actually Riot's jumped up slightly, which is a good thing from this open. There is a bit of a delay, as you can see, between the price of 100 shares, 33.50, so $33,350. I have an unrealized P&L of 977. Because obviously prices dropped from 33.50, but again, I'm not too fussed about what the unrealized is at this stage. But my break even, taking into account all this premium, is 24.66. So if we look now, the price is 24.24, and my break even is 24.66. So I could close out of this trade, get my $3,350 back without any issues, and but I would give back this $884, which is what I don't want to do. So, at the moment, I've made a 26% return. And as time goes on, this number has been going up. Some weeks are faster than others. But again, since when did I get assigned? I got assigned on the 10th of September. September, October, November. In 4 months to make 26% return on your money is still a fantastic achievement as part of that. So if we have a look at the trades I've done since the last update, so I sold a cover call at the 31 strike, picked up $36 in premium. I bought that option back for $2, and then I opened a new covered call at the $30 strike, expiring this Friday, the 23rd, for $37. And then after a few days, it pretty much has, right. Look where Riot is trading at the moment. It went to lows of, as I mentioned, lows of 21.71. So that option depreciated in value very quickly, so I was able to close that one. And then yesterday, I think it was, I opened the same strike but for the 31st of December and made $28. So if we look at since the 17th, in terms of overall premium, I've made $96 again. In space of um, 3 weeks. So we've got 3 expirations, 3 weeks again to make $96. Again, it's pretty good. And at the highs of when we were doing really when Riot was absolutely going up, you can see here 285, 179, a week. And eventually we will get there when Bitcoin, when it recovers, which I'm sure it will. Riot will recover as well. And Riot is continuing to increase here at 24.44. So a good start here for a start. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. As you know, it's kind of flat. But Riot has picked up slightly there, which is good to see. So I'll be doing one more video next week to let you know how this 31st of December trade goes. And again, it's still got $6. It can go 10-20% in a week quite comfortably. So I've got to keep an eye on this one if it does go up, which is a good thing. And again, you guys have seen me roll out options enough times now to know that, unless I get early assignment or something, I'll just keep rolling this option out and keep pushing it up as time goes on. So like I said, I really hope you enjoyed this video. This will be the last video before Christmas. So Happy holidays to everyone. I wish you all the best, and I shall see you guys in the next video.